try checking your calendar. Go to your Outlook email or Microsoft 365. You're looking for your Outlook. Then select your calendar. Select the 20th, and it should say Strong Workforce Regional NetLab. This is an invite that's automatically on your calendar. And then the next one is December 18th, and this should automatically be on your calendar. So whenever you forget when the meeting is, you can search your calendar and all the Strong Workforce. See, Strong Workforce will come up, and you can try to find the Regional NetLab, or you could do NetLab, because I always use the same subject, so it's easier to find things. Of course, my calendar has a lot of NetLab on it, but yours wouldn't have so much. So here's, some of the meetings we've had. So those are two ways that you can try to find the meeting, just in case you can't find the email.